Science 3, Quarter 2, Week 3. Characteristics of living things. Revise K-12 curriculum with me, teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about characteristics of living things. Day 1. Objectives. Number 1. Identify living and non-living things in the surroundings. Number 2. Describe the differences between living things and non-livings. Number 3. Classify objects and organisms as living and non-living things. And number 4. Give examples of living things and non-living things. Activating prior knowledge. In the previous lesson, we learned how to observe, predict, and measure things around us. Today, we will use those skills to find out which things are living and non-living. Look around the classroom and outside the window. What are some things you see? Here are the possible answers. I see a tree. I see a rock. There's a dog. I see a table and chairs. Can you point at something that you think is alive? Possible answers: a person, a bird, or a dog. Can you point at something that is not alive? Possible answers: a bag, a chair, or a pencil. Today, we are going to discover how we can tell if something is alive or not. Lesson purpose or intention. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Now questions. First, what do you see in these pictures? Good job! The picture number 1 contains living things, and the picture number 2 contains non-living things. Have you seen these objects before? Have you seen these objects in real life? What do you notice about the things in the pictures? Can you think of any reason why the things in the first picture are alive and the ones in the second picture are not? The first picture depicts living things, and the second picture shows non-living things. Lesson language practice. Living. Sentence. The dog is living. It is breathing and playing in the yard. Question. What does living mean in this sentence? Possible answer. It means the dog is alive and doing things like breathing and moving. Next, non-living. Sentence. The pencil is non-living. It does not grow or move. Question. What does non-living mean in this sentence? Possible answer. It means the pencil cannot grow or move by itself. Reading the key idea or stem. Have you ever wondered why a tree grows but a rock does not? Why do animals move but chairs stay in one place? These are the questions we will answer today as we learn about living and non-living things. This pre-activity is to be guided by your actual teacher. Developing understanding of the key idea or STEM, to be guided by your actual teacher. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Look at the object. This is a mungo seed. Do you think this is a living thing or a non-living thing? If I put this seed in a drawer and leave it there, will it grow? Correct! No, it will not grow. It will just stay the same. What if I plant this seed in the soil and water it every day? What will happen? Awesome! It will grow into a plant, or it will sprout and become a new mango plant. Here are two seeds. One is dry and has not been planted, and the other is starting to sprout. Which one looks more like a living thing? Good job! The sprouting seed looks more alive. The dry seed appears to be just an object. Does this mean the dry seed is not living? Very good. It is still living, but it needs soil and water to grow. Even though it is not growing now, it has the ability to grow. So, it is classified as a living thing. What about this rock? Is it living or non-living? Amazing! A rock is a non-living thing because it cannot grow. Let us now learn what is number 1, living things. These are things that are alive. They can grow, move, eat, breathe, and make more of themselves. People, animals, and plants are living things because they do these things. Next, we have number 2, non-living things. These are the things that do not grow or make more of themselves, like rock, toys, and water are non-living because they don't do what living things do. Can you give me examples of living things in your school or community? Good job! Dogs, cats, trees, birds, and people are examples of living things in our school or community. Now, can you give me examples of non-living things around you? Correct! Chairs, tables, books, rocks, and air. making generalizations and abstractions. Complete the statements by filling in the blanks. Let's answer. We can tell that something is a living thing based on our observations. Living things can grow, move, breathe to get air, to make more living things, eat to get energy, and respond to what's around them. Evaluating learning. Observe the following pictures and describe them as living or non-living by writing L for living and NL for non-living in the space provided. Then, explain your answer. Number 1. What is the correct answer? Good job! L. Explanation. It eats, grows, moves, and responds to its surroundings. Number 2. What is the correct answer? Awesome! NL. Explanation. It does not grow, move, or respond to its surroundings. Number 3. What is the correct answer? Good job! L. Explanation. Even though the egg is not moving, it has a baby inside that will hatch, grow, and respond to its surroundings. Number 4. What is the correct answer? Good job! L. Explanation. It grows and takes in nutrients to survive. Number 5. What is the correct answer? Amazing! NL. Explanation. Even though it moves, it does not grow, eat, or reproduce on its own. Day 2. Objectives. Number 1. Describe how plants and animals change as they grow. Number 2. Explain how plants react to the surroundings and how this helps them stay alive. Number 3. Describe how animals react to their surroundings to stay safe. And number 4, give examples of living things that grow and respond. Activating prior knowledge. Tell whether the picture shows living or non-living things. Number 1. Very good. Living thing. Number 2. Good job. Non-living thing. Number 3. Awesome. Living thing. Number 4. Correct. Non-living thing. What are living things? Correct. Things that grow, move, eat, breathe, and change. What are non-living things? Awesome! Things that do not grow, move, or need food. We said that living things grow. But how do they grow? We say that living things respond or react to their surroundings. But how do they respond to their surroundings? That's what we will learn today. We will talk about how living things change and react to their surroundings. Let's answer. Number 1. What changes have you noticed in your body since you were younger? Correct. I grew taller. I got stronger. My hair got longer. Number 2. Do animals and plants also grow? Can you give an example? Amazing! Yes, a puppy grows into a dog. A seed grows into a tree. Number 3. Do animals and plants react to their environment? Amazing! Yes. Today, we will talk about how living things change and react to their surroundings. Lesson purpose or intention. Please observe. What do you notice about the baby and the grown-up animal? Amazing! The baby is smaller. The grown-up is bigger and looks different. Do baby animals always stay small? Good job! No, they grow bigger over time. What do you think will happen to them after several years? Correct! They change, grow bigger, and become stronger. This part is to be guided by your actual teacher. Lesson language practice. When we say something responds, it means it reacts to what is happening around it. For example, a dog responds when you call its name by wagging its tail or coming to you. Plants respond to sunlight by growing toward the light. What would you do if you suddenly felt cold? Correct! I will shiver or put on a jacket. How does a fish respond when the water is too hot? Very good! It might swim away to a cooler area. Reading the key idea or STEM. How do you know that a living thing grows? How do you know that a living thing knows there is food nearby? What does it do? Do plants know where there is more sunlight? These are the questions that we will investigate in the activity. These parts are to be guided by your actual teacher. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Number 1. What will happen if animals like mice and rabbits don't run away from dangers from snakes and lions? Very good! The mice might get hurt or eaten by a snake. They need to move away from danger to stay safe. Number 2. What happens if a plant does not turn toward the sunlight? Correct! The plant won't get enough sunlight. It won't be able to make food and may get weak or even die. making generalizations and abstractions. Lina has a baby chick and she loves to take care of it. Every week, she checks its weight to see if it's growing. Let's look at the record she made. Here are weeks and weight. For week 1, 185 grams. Week 2, 465 grams. Week 3, 943 grams. Week 4, 1,524 grams. Week 5, 2,191 grams. Number 1. Based on the results, is her pet growing? Very good! Yes, the chick is growing because its weight is getting heavier every week. Number 2. Based on the results, what happens to the weight of a growing living thing as body parts grow in size and height? Amazing! A growing living thing gains weight as body parts become bigger or longer. Number 3. What do you notice about weight each week? Very good! The weight is increasing. The chick gets heavier and heavier. Number 4. What happens to a living thing's body as it grows? Good job! Its body parts get bigger and it becomes taller or longer. Living things grow by increasing in size and mass as their body parts develop. Can you arrange the phrase below to make a complete statement about plants and animals in relation to responding? Great! Plants and animals respond to the things around them in order to survive. Can you give examples of living things that grow and respond? Awesome! A baby becoming a kid, a sunflower turning towards sunlight, a dog barking when it hears a sound. Evaluating learning to be guided by your actual teacher. Day 3. Objectives. Number 1. Describe how living things reproduce, such as plants producing seeds, animals giving birth, or laying eggs. Number 2. Explain why animals and plants need to reproduce. And number 3. Give examples of living things that reproduce. Activating prior knowledge. Number 1. What do you notice about the child? Amazing! The child became taller and he can stand. His legs and arms became longer. Number 2. If his mother calls her child, what will he do? Good job! He will look and walk toward her. Number 3. What characteristic of living things have we observed from the pictures of the child? Amazing! Living things grow. Number 4. What characteristic of living things is shown when the child goes near when being cold? Correct! Living things respond to their surroundings. Number 5. But do you wonder where that baby came from? Awesome! He came from her mother. Number 6. Have you ever seen a pregnant woman? How would you describe her? Very good. She has a big belly. Number 7. Why does she have a big belly? Correct. There's a baby inside her. Number 8. What will happen to that baby after several months? Good job! The baby will come out of her. Living things reproduce. When we say reproduce, living things make more of their kind. But how do living things reproduce? That is what we are going to find out. Lesson purpose or intention. Where do kittens come from? Amazing! They came from cats. How do you know that the kittens came from their parent cats and not from the dogs? Very good. The kitten and the cat look similar. How about the puppies? Where did puppies come from? Very good! They came from their parent dogs. What do you notice? Can living things come from non-living things? Good job! No. What do you notice between the baby animal and the parent animal? Amazing! They look similar. Living things make more of their kind. But how do they make more of their kind? Lesson language practice. Figure out the correct word from jumbled letters. Number 1. This means to make more of its kind. Just like when animals have babies or plants grow new seeds. What is the correct answer? Very good! Reproduce. Living things reproduce to make more of their kind. Number 2. This can be your father or your mother. What is the correct answer? Correct! Parent. A parent is an adult living thing that can reproduce like a mother cat or a father dog. Number 3. This is a mother who has a baby growing inside her. What is the correct answer? Amazing! Pregnant. Pregnant woman has a baby growing inside her. That's part of how humans reproduce. Reading the key idea or STEM. Did you ever wonder how living things make more of its kind? What do you know about how plants make more plants? How do animals make more animals? These parts are to be guided by your actual teacher. How do living things reproduce? For plants. Number 1, plants with seeds. Plants with seeds grow new plants from tiny seeds. Example, apple trees, sunflowers. Number 2, some plants grow without seeds. They use parts like stems, roots, or leaves to make new plants. Example, oregano grows by planting a stem. For animals. Number 1, by giving birth. Animals like dogs, And cats have babies that grow inside the mother. When the baby is ready, the mother gives birth. Number 2, by laying eggs. Animals like chicken, fish, and reptiles lay eggs. The baby grows inside the egg and comes out when it is ready. Deepening understanding of the key idea or STEM. Let's use our imagination for a moment in this quick activity. Number 1. Imagine if chickens stop laying eggs. What do you think would happen to baby chicks? Very good. There will be no more chicks. Number 2. If there are no more chicks and the adult chickens grow old and die, what would happen next? Amazing! There would be no more chickens. Number 3. How would that affect us? Good job! We won't have eggs or chicken to eat. Now, let's talk about trees. Number 4. What if mango trees stop making seeds and we could not plant new ones? What do you think would happen to mango trees over time? Good job! They will disappear. Number 5. Can you name fruits that grow on trees? Correct! Mango, jackfruit, santol, guava. Number 6. What would happen if these trees disappeared? Very good! We will not have fruits to eat or trees for shade. So, why is it important for animals and plants to reproduce? Amazing! To make more of their kind. To keep their species alive. And to help people and the environment. Now you know why it is so important that living things reproduce, not just for themselves, but for all of us. Making generalizations and abstractions to be guided by your actual teacher. Evaluating learning. Part 1. Describe how animals reproduce by writing laying eggs or giving birth in the space provided. Let's answer. Number 1. Turtle reproduces by laying egg. Number 2. Lizard reproduces by laying egg. Number 3. Fish reproduces by laying egg. Number 4. Pig reproduces by giving birth. Number 5, goat. Reproduces by giving birth. For part 2, describe how each plant reproduces by writing planting plant parts or planting seeds on the space provided. Let's answer. Number 1, sitaw reproduces by planting seeds. Number 2, sampalok reproduces by planting seeds. Number 3, oregano reproduces by planting plant parts. Number 4, katakataka reproduces by planting plant parts. And number 5, mayana reproduces by planting plant parts. Day 4. Objective. Describe characteristics of living things. They grow, respond to the surroundings, and reproduce. Activating prior knowledge. Which of these objects can grow? Correct. The seed will grow. Why? Good job. Because the seed is a living thing. Which of these things cannot make more of its own? Very good. The chair and the table. Why do you think so? Awesome! Because the chair and the table are not living things. If you bring food near it, which of these things will come near the food? Awesome! The cat will go near the food. What are these characteristics that living things have that non-living things do not? Amazing! They grow, they respond, and they reproduce. Lesson purpose or intention. What characteristic of living things does it show? Very good. They grow. What characteristics of living things do these pictures show? Good job! They make more of their own. They give birth to baby animals. What characteristics of living things does this picture show? Awesome! They respond to the surroundings. Can you identify one animal or plant and explain how it reproduces, grows, and responds to its surroundings? Amazing! A dog reproduces by giving birth to live puppies, grows from a puppy to an adult animal, responds by barking. Lesson language practice. Unscramble the word. It means to stay alive. What is the correct answer? Good job! Survive. Sample sentence. Living things need to survive so they can grow and reproduce. This word means all of them have died. You cannot find this animal anymore. What is the correct answer? Very good! Extinct. Sample sentence. When living things can no longer reproduce or survive, they can become extinct, like the dinosaurs. This is what happens when a living things get bigger or taller. What is the correct answer? Good job! Growth. Sample sentence. Growing is one of the things that only living things can do. Reading the key idea or stem. Can a living thing only grow but not respond to its surroundings? Can a living thing reproduce but not grow or respond? Can a living thing respond to its surroundings but not grow? These parts are to be guided by your actual teacher. Deepening understanding of the key idea or stem. Have you ever seen a baby giraffe? Giraffes eat the leaves of tall trees. What do you think will happen if a baby giraffe does not grow taller? Very good! It won't be able to reach the leaves and might go hungry. Why is it important for animals like giraffes or tigers to grow? Amazing! So, they can get food and survive. If the legs of a baby tiger never grow, can it catch its food? Very good. No, because it cannot run fast. Why do you think it needs to run fast? Amazing! So, it can hunt or escape danger. Have you seen an ampalaya plant climbing on a trellis? If this plant does not climb up on this trellis and remains on the dark ground, what basic need will it fail to get? Good job! Sunlight. Some animals give birth to a lot of baby animals of their kind. But some animals do reproduce a few. The Philippine eagle only lays one egg for every 2 years. What should you tell those people who cut the trees where these eagles live? Good job! Stop cutting trees. Living things grow because they need to survive. And now that you know that living things grow, respond to their surroundings, and reproduce, how should we take care of them? Here are sample answers. Feed your pet every day so it can grow. Make space for new baby animals if your pet gives birth. Water your plants so they can grow and let them grow where there is sunlight. Kids, take note. Living things are important. They grow, they respond, and they make more of their kind. When we take care of them, we help them live and grow well. Making generalizations and abstractions. All living things need to. Who can complete the sentence? Very good. All living things need to grow and respond in order to survive. Even if older living things die, the younger living things replace them because they can reproduce and make more of its own. If living things do not reproduce, then all living things will become extinct. Now we know that living things grow, respond, and reproduce. These help them survive and make sure life continues on Earth. Evaluating learning. Describe the physical changes in a frog as it reaches the adult stage by placing a check on the right descriptions that show growth. Are you ready? Let's answer. Legs appear and become longer and larger. Tail becomes shorter until it disappears. Lastly, body becomes bigger. How do frogs respond to the following? Number 1, when it sees a snake, it leaps very fast. Number 2, when it sees a dragonfly as food, it sticks out its tongue to catch it. Number 3, why is it important for the frog to respond to the living things around it? Because it needs to protect itself from its enemies and it needs to find food. Number 4, how do frogs reproduce? By laying eggs. Well done, kids! What have we learned today? Today, we learn about the characteristics of living things. All living things need to grow and respond in order to survive. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.